Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria Danielle if you're new here, and today this is going to be like a really quick video. I am going to be filming later today, hence why I have myself all set up back here to film. I just kind of wanted to do a video on this because I've heard so many great reviews and I really want to try it, so I figured today is the day. I have needed to get my hair done for a while now. I had an appointment back in December and I just canceled it because I was in the middle of renovating this whole room. So I didn't get my hair done and my roots are like starting to show pretty bad. And what I do to my hair is I get a root color, like a dark root color, and it's kind of like a semi-color, so it's not like, you know, permanent color that I get on my hair, so it does fade over time. So I get a root color and then I get foils, more or less. I mean, it's kind of like balayage, but it's not. They individually paint my hair and they wrap it up in a foil to get the icy blonde look from like here down. But like the salon I was going to just kept making it darker and darker and darker and not understanding that I still wanted to keep the blonde. So I am looking for a new hair salon. My hair is overgrown and it's just a mess, and you can see like my hair is so frizzy and broken and just disgusting, and like I'm ashamed that I'm walking around with hair like this right now because I'm super about hair because I used to work at a hair salon and I am like so into my hair and so concerned for my hair that this is just totally not me. But I had cut my hair like super short, and I'm kind of like in the process of growing it out. So that's kind of like why it's so frizzy, because I like don't want to trim it. And I have been cutting it like, you know, when I'm supposed to. Like I was cutting it pretty often. But again, like I said, I just canceled my December appointment. So my hair is like falling apart. And for those of you who don't know, like when a hairstylist says like you should get your hair cut every 2 to 3 months, they're serious. And the reason why is because when your hair splits, it doesn't just split. It splits all the way up, and it eventually will ruin the hair that's up here, and you're going to have to end up cutting so much more. So it's really important that you stay on top of your haircuts, and even if it's just a little trim, like just take off the dead pieces, because if you don't, it will split and go up your hair shaft. So you can kind of see like all my little split ends and kind of that whole disastrous mess. And with blonde hair, it's so much easier to see it. Whereas with like darker hair, like you can't really tell. I mean, under here, like my hair's still dark from like the color that they did, but you can kind of see it, but not as bad. Whereas my blonde hair is so noticeable. The brand that I've heard a lot of good reviews about is Briogeo. I've never used any other products, but in my monthly subscription bag from BoxyCharm, they sent me this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Serum. This is Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask. So this is supposed to help repair like damaged hair. It says no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. Usage: okay, spray through freshly washed and damp hair. Well, my hair is a little damp, but it's not freshly washed. I mean, it was washed a couple hours ago. And comb through. Do not rinse out. Air or blow dry and style hair as usual. Okay. It has algae extract. Okay, it has oil in it. It repairs and strengthens damaged hair and split ends. Okay, so let's just spray that in and hope that it helps. It's like a creamy color. Like it's like a thicker serum. Like it's like creamier. It's not just a spray. It smells so good. So we're gonna brush that through. And I'm just gonna spray some on my ends. Just kind of pull it through with my hand. I mean, it made the flyaways go down. Look at that. Looks so much better than this side, this frizzy side. we'll see how it works throughout the day. I mean, I haven't even styled my hair yet, so maybe if I add heat to it, it might frizz back again. I hope not, but anything is possible, especially with damaged hair. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. This needs help. My hair needs help. It needs such help. I'm so sorry, hair. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I've neglected you. This kind of reminds me of one of my favorite products. It's actually my sister's favorite product too. It's the Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Overnight Serum, I think it is. I'll have to link it, but it's like $40 and I'm pretty sure this is less. I think this is like $16. And they both have like a really good smell, and they're both to like repair your hair throughout the day. Well, it did reduce it by like a lot. So let's add some heat and see what happens. So I have my little handy dandy blow dryer right here. I'm not gonna like blow it out like I normally would with like the big brush and everything. I'm just gonna try and just kind of feather it, if that makes sense. Say my split ends looked good, like not great, but because they're split ends, but they don't look as fried as they did before. So the serum is doing something. It's keeping them tame. I can't be tamed. Singing Miley now. I'm just gonna put some extra on there because you can never have too much. All right, what do we think? Look at this side, and I mean, this side still has the serum in it, but I mean, it's keeping the flyaways gone pretty nicely. Wow. I'm impressed. It's like a dupe for the Bumble and Bumble, the repair serum from Bumble and Bumble. So let's do the other side. See how that does. I mean, I added heat and it's not even really frizzing. Like, it's staying put. Okay, this side is frizzing a little bit, but maybe I didn't put a lot of serum on it. Or maybe this side's just really that bad. Is it really that bad? It's trying to hold. This side I think is just really fried. I mean, there's not much you can really do for that. And I have to say, like, I'm pretty impressed. It's holding it. Like, it's literally tapering it to keep it in place. It's kind of like hairspray, but it's not like hairspray because it's not sticky. And it's not like hardening your hair, but like it's keeping the flyaways in place. Wow. I'm pretty impressed. If you guys need a repair serum and you don't want to spend $40 for the Bumble and Bumble one, this is an amazing dupe for that. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask. Again, if you don't want to spend $40 for the repair serum from Bumble and Bumble, this is a dupe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're not already subscribed, please make sure you hit the subscription button so you can be updated every time I upload. I will be uploading a affordable Valentine's Day look from the drugstore because I will be filming that later today. I love each and every one of you so much, and until next time.